Hi, and welcome to Konfirmi Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect a Gravity form to a Konfirmi widget in WordPress. So let's get started. Start by going to your dashboard and press on Create New Widget. From there, you'll select the appearance of your widget button. Next, verification fields. The grayed out fields are the ones that are required. The ones on the right are not required. We'll just stick with the required fields for now. In verification options, we're going to choose email or cell phone two-factor authentication. And then we're going to add our domain name. I'm going to go copy it from my WordPress site and paste it in. Next, we're going to assign widget data checks. This will allocate a certain number of data checks to your widget. This is a WordPress contact form, so we'll leave that set to yes, and it is not a WooCommerce widget, so we'll leave that set to no. And then we'll go ahead and save our widget. And the widget's been created. We can go to the dashboard and see it at the top of the list. Take note of that ID number, we're going to need that later. Now going over to WordPress, we're going to make our form. So we start by pressing on Forms. And this is how we make a Gravity form. First you add new, and then put in a title for the form, in our case, registration, and then a short description for the form. I'm just going to put in, this is the registration form, and create form. Next, we're going to add the fields for our form, and we need to be sure to add the 4 required fields, and you can add additional fields if you'd like. First required field is first name, so let's label it first name, and then we will click the Appearance tab. This is very important. We need to set the custom CSS class to Konfirmi-first-name. This is what ties the widget to the form and brings the values of the form over to the widget. Next is last name, so we'll label it last name. And in the Appearance tab, we're going to type for custom CSS class Konfirmi-last-name, Konfirmi-last-name. Next is email, so we'll label it email. And in the custom CSS class, we type Konfirmi-email. And lastly is phone. So we add a new single line text form field. We'll label that phone. And click the Appearance tab. Go to Custom CSS class and type in Konfirmi-phone. Next, we go to Advanced Fields to find our Konfirmi widget, and there it is. We press that, and we're going to insert Konfirmi widget there. We need to label it. You can label it whatever you want. We're going to label this one Konfirmi widget. The label does not show up on the website, but you do need one. And the Konfirmi ID number. In our case, it's 275. If you're not sure what yours is, just go over to your dashboard, look at the last one that you created, and get the ID number from there. We will now save that form by clicking the Update button, and our form's been created. Next, we're going to go to our Konfirmi plugin on the left side of WordPress, down at the bottom. Press Konfirmi, and we're going to assign Gravity forms to this widget 275. You can choose from Contact 7, Ninja Forms, Caldera Forms, but in our case, Gravity Forms. And the container has been successfully attached to the form. Next, we'll create a page and put the form on it. Add a new page. We're going to title this Registration. And then you'll see a button at the top called Add Form. If you're not certain, just mouse over it and you'll see it say Add Gravity Form. So you know that that's the Gravity form in case you have multiple form plugins. Choose the registration form that we created, insert form, and then hit Publish. to go ahead and save this page. Page is saved, and now we can preview the changes. Now we're looking at our WordPress site, and you'll notice the form that we created in the Konfirmi widget. If you press the submit button before confirming, it says please verify. I've put in my information and hit the next button, and I'm going to choose phone verification, consent to receiving a text, hit next, get my text, put in the code, and then hit next again. We are now confirmed. The window will close and we can submit the form. And that's it. That's how you create a Konfirmi widget connected to Gravity Forms in WordPress. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.